we're going to simplify a complex rational expression. And this is the expression, and it's so complex I won't even try to read it to you. I'll just begin solving it. And to do that, I will start from the bottom and go up. I'm going to look at this denominator here, 1 plus 1 over a. And let's just rewrite everything down to that point. 1 plus 1 over. I have 1 plus 1 over a, and I'd like to add those two terms, so I need to find a common denominator for them. The denominator will be a. So I can write 1 as a over a. I've essentially multiplied 1 by 1 in the form of a over a, and that gave me a over a. And then I have this plus 1 over a from here. Now, let's do this addition, the one way down here. So I'm just, again, rewriting until I get there. 1 plus 1 over. When I add numerators here, I get a plus 1, and the common denominator is a. So this is the next step. Now I'm going to simplify this complex rational expression within the big complex rational expression. So I'm focusing on that, and again, I'm just going to copy some things. 1 divided by a plus 1 over a can be written as the multiplication 1 times a over a plus 1. I've just multiplied 1 by the reciprocal of this denominator or divisor. So this is what I have now. And when I do this multiplication, 1 times a over a plus 1 just gives me a over a plus 1. So let's go to a clean sheet of paper with that written. Now, the next thing that I want to do is to focus on this denominator here, 1 plus a over a plus 1. And again, I want to write it with a common, I want to write these two terms with a common denominator, and that denominator is going to be a plus 1. So to write 1 with a denominator of a plus 1, I would multiply by a plus 1 over a plus 1, and 1 times that is just a plus 1 over a plus 1. And then I have the second term, a over a plus 1. And now let's just do this addition in this denominator. We have a plus 1 plus a, which is 2a plus 1, over the common denominator of a plus 1. I just added the numerators and rewrote the denominator. Now I'm going to simplify this complex rational expression by writing it as a multiplication. 1 divided by 2a plus 1 over a plus 1 is equivalent to 1 times a plus 1 over 2a plus 1. And when I do this multiplication, I have 1 plus a plus 1 over 2a plus 1. So now I'm just left with this last addition to do. And again, I need a common denominator, and it's going to be 2a plus 1. So I'll be multiplying 1 by 2a plus 1 over 2a plus 1, which would give me exactly that, 2a plus 1 over 2a plus 1. And I'm adding a plus 1 over 2a plus 1. And now we're on the home stretch. We just need to add these numerators and write the common denominator. 2a plus a is 3a, and 1 plus 1 is 2. And the denominator is 2a plus 1. So this is the final result.